Welcome back guys, this is Imran here again. Today we are going to be looking at the resource pools in VMware Vcenter server. So before we begin, I'm going to explain you what is resource pool. It is a logic abstraction for flexible management of resources. Resources pools can be grouped into hierarchies. Basically we can manage our virtual machines within the resource pools. We can manage a number of multiple virtual machines. So in this tutorial we are gonna create a resource pool and we'll be looking at the functionality of the resource pool. Let me navigate to my virtual machine. So I have logged into my vSphere web client. So we can create our resource pool by right clicking on our ESXi host. This is my host, so I'm gonna right click and go into all Vcenter action, and there you can find a new resource pool. You can just click new resource pool. There are so many options available to monitor the virtual machines, so I'm gonna give it a name as sample again. And CPU resource shares, I'm gonna give it as high, and I'm gonna leave this thing as a default. Okay, so the resource pool is created. As you can see, I have already created a resource pool named FinProd. I have moved my virtual machine into the FinProd. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it to my sample resource pool. We can just drag and drop to make the virtual machines go from one resource pool to the another. And I'm gonna look at the functionality of the resource pool. Let me go to the summary. Here you can manage and have a look at the virtual machines. As you can see, virtual machines and template, there are currently one virtual machine which I'm managing inside, and we can even view the powered on VMs and the resource settings. Resource settings we can manage by looking in the CPU shares, reservation limits, and the memory. So all these things can be managed within the resource pool. We can even monitor the performance and the task as well. So there are many cool things we can do with this thing. So yeah, this is what a resource pool does. Thanks for watching.